Hi, this is Danielle from Rejuvime Medical. If you just had your Botox appointment, I want to quickly review a few simple aftercare tips to help you get the best possible results. Your provider likely walked through these with you already. This is just a quick reminder so you know exactly what to do over the next day. First, let's talk about timing. You will usually begin to notice the effects of Botox within about 3 to 5 days. Your full results typically develop over 10 to 14 days, so give your body a little time to respond. For the first 4 hours afterwards, remain upright. Try not to lie flat during this time. You should also avoid touching, rubbing, or massaging the treated areas. For the first 24 hours, there are a few things we recommend avoiding. Strenuous exercise, excessive heat such as saunas, hot tubs, or hot yoga. Hold off on facials or facial massages, wearing tight hats or headbands that press on the treated areas. These small precautions help the product stay exactly where it was placed. If you would like to apply makeup, you can usually do so after 4 to 6 hours. Following these simple steps helps ensure the best outcome from your treatment. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your Rejuvime team. We are always happy to help. We look forward to seeing your results develop over the next couple of weeks.